When your cleaner no-shows or cancels last minute, your reputation is on the line. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to protect it. I'm Margalit, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a 7-figure remote cleaning business. And I'm telling you right now, no-shows happen. It's part of the business. But when it happens, the difference between losing a client or keeping them for years comes down to how you handle it. Before I show you how to recover, let's talk about how to prevent this mess in the first place. And there's no reason to overcomplicate it. Preventing disasters is simple. Set the tone with both your clients and your cleaners up front. With clients, transparency wins from day one. You need to tell clients, we will always try to send you the same cleaner, but we can't guarantee it every time. And don't just say it, explain it. Tell them that these are human beings with lives and families, and sometimes things happen. What you can promise them is a tight system, where your cleaners will take detailed notes and videos of their preferences. Any replacement cleaner will know exactly how they like things done. You will over-communicate if there's ever a change, and you'll always do your best to make it right. When you're totally upfront about this, clients become more forgiving when things go sideways, because they know you're human, and they trust that you'll take care of them. Now with cleaners, you gotta make the stakes crystal clear. This part is super important. Your cleaners need to know how serious a no-show is. I'm not soft about this. In all my cleaner agreements, I include a clause that says, I can withhold your pay for any reason at any time. I explain that this clause is not about taking their money, it's about protecting the company's reputation, because one bad review could cost me thousands of dollars in lost bookings. Not to mention the long-term damage in the brand's value if I ever want to sell the business. Once something negative hits Google or Yelp, it's there forever. And the cleaner needs to understand, if you flake, if you no-show, if you leave me scrambling, your paycheck is in jeopardy, period. But here's the key detail. I don't control the cleaners. I control who gets to be on my schedule. That's how I run my business without crossing any legal lines. Here's how it works. Cleaners get to choose which days and shifts they want to work. They have full control over their availability. Once they pick their preferred days, management offers jobs accordingly. Because they're 1099 contractors, they can accept or refuse any job we offer. That's their right. But it's also my right to decide who gets job offers in the future. So I set a simple expectation. If a cleaner doesn't accept at least 90% of the jobs that I offer them, they'll get offered fewer jobs or none at all. There's no arguments, there's no begging, and there's no drama. If someone's unreliable, if they're constantly flaking or they're cherry-picking jobs, I'll stop sending them offers. Because there are plenty of great cleaners out there who are eager to take as much work as they can get. And when you build a system like this, you naturally attract the right people. The reliable ones, the hungry ones, the people who respect the opportunity. I'm not managing contractors, I'm managing access to job opportunities. And that's how I maintain control without crossing legal lines. My system works very well and it mitigates cleaners flaking, but it does still happen once in a while. So when it does, here are 4 steps to ensure damage control. Step number 1, respond as fast as possible. And I'm talking less than a minute, and you gotta own it. The second you know that there's a problem, you gotta get in front of it. There's no waiting, no excuses. Call the client immediately, never text, because written communication lacks tone, and a text that you think is nice could easily be misunderstood. If the client answers the phone, you should say something like, "Hi Steve, your cleaner had an emergency and can't make it today. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, and I want to make it right for you." Step 2, offer them a resolution that feels like a VIP treatment, like priority rescheduling or a free fridge clean, but never a discount, because you don't want to condition customers to expect it when something goes wrong. Step 3, turn the situation into loyalty. When a client sees you go above and beyond to fix a problem, you actually increase loyalty. Most businesses crumble under problems, but if you stay calm, communicate, and make it right, the client's trust in you grows. Some of my longest-term clients are still with me because of the way I handle the no-show. They're human. And most of them get it. It's not about perfection, it's about professionalism under pressure. And finally, step number 4, prevent it from ever happening again. After you fix it with the client, you need to fix it internally. If a cleaner no-shows, it's addressed immediately. I communicate the financial damage, then I realign the stakes and let them know. This isn't just one job. This is our reputation. And if it happens again, they're off the roster. Simple as that. No-shows are gonna happen, but if you set expectations early, hold your cleaners accountable, and have a professional recovery playbook in place, you'll keep your clients and you'll protect your brand. This is how I build a business that can scale without being derailed by emergencies. And if you want more tactical systems like this to grow a remote cleaning business, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And if you want my exact playbook for building a system like this for your cleaning business, head over to my website, johnmargalit.com, where you can access my training today. I'll see you in the next one.